Patent pending. 4-pack toiletry skins. Engineered to prevent leaks, our bottle cover sleeves keep your luggage contents safe, ensuring a mess-free, worry-free travel experience for all adventurers. Prevent spillage and safeguard your shampoo bottles, conditioner, makeup, sunscreen, or whatever else may leak in your luggage while traveling with our rubber water bottle sleeve. Universal fit toiletry skins with our LeakLocks technology. LeakLocks Toiletry Skins offer a universal fit to mitigate mess in your luggage. Perfect for travel items, ensuring your clothes stay pristine. An essential travel bottle cover for organized packing and carefree adventures. Hassle-free travel. Elevate your journey with our thermoplastic rubber sleeve, travel essential for women and men. These bottle covers for traveling fit standard and travel-size bottles, guarding against in-transit spills. Durable, high-quality, thermoplastic rubber, LeakLocks Toiletry Skins. 4-pack elastic sleeves represent the pinnacle of travel accessories for the whole clan. Whether by plane, train, or automobile, these bottle covers block leaks, so you can focus on making memories, not cleaning mess. Ever packed shampoo, only to find your clothes soaked in a sticky mess? Picture this. You're at baggage claim, suitcase dripping like a leaky faucet. Your favorite shirt? Ruined. Your vacation mood? Crushed. Sound familiar? I once spent hours cleaning sunscreen off my socks. Not fun. Enter LeakLocks or Toiletry Skins TM, the hero your luggage has been waiting for. These stretchy sleeves fit standard and travel-size bottles like a snug glove. Made of durable thermoplastic rubber, they block leaks from air pressure changes. Shampoo, conditioner, toothpaste. LeakLocks seals them all. No mess, no stress. Reusable and versatile. They're perfect for every trip, from planes to road trips. No more soggy socks or ruined outfits, just carefree, mess-free adventures. So pack your bags, grab LeakLocks, and travel like a pro today.